Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the bake element in your electric range's warming drawer, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull out the warming drawer and remove the rack. Next, use pliers to bend the side rails outward to fully detach the drawer assembly. This may require some effort. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the mounting screw securing the bake element. Lift the element up and pull it forward to access the wires. Disconnect the wires and you can fully remove the old element. Install the new warming drawer bake element by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align the element bracket tabs in the slots in the base. Replace the mounting screw. Now pull out the slide rails. Align the slots in the drawer assembly with the tabs on the slide rails and snap the assembly into position. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.